This is your skin. It wraps your humanity and expresses your uniqueness. It journeys with you as you discover the world. It connects you to those you love and care for, and them to you. It's complex, clever, resilient. This is your skin, and it gives you life. Your skin is alive. It senses. It reflects your emotions. It's thin, yet shields you from the elements. It's elastic, allowing you to move, be flexible, and take some hard knocks. It regulates your body temperature and heals with you when accidents happen. It grows and stretches with you, yet somehow remembers its shape. And after you've brought new life into the world, it regenerates and restores itself. Now, if you stop and think about all of the miraculous things your skin does for you, wouldn't you want to celebrate it, nurture and protect it in return? Because this is your skin, and it lets you live life. Live and love fully, and care for your skin the way it cares for you. Bio Oil, specialist oil-based skincare solutions.